Hey everybody, it's Chelsea and I'm here today to show you just something fun. I got in a Bootstrap Farmer order of a collection of pots that Jill from the Whispering Willow farm collaborated with. Oh my gosh. Okay. I ordered, I think it was, what was it, 240? Now that I threw my paper. It's 48 of each and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, so these are the pots. I am happy and I am pleased. And look at these colors. These are absolutely stunning. I'm going to have so much fun planting in these over this winter. I think these are going to bring so much joy into my life in the middle of winter when everything here in Wisconsin is cold and snowy. Also, you may notice that I'm wearing glasses today. I woke up this morning with goopy eyes. And it was very uncomfortable and I wasn't really sure what was going on. I'm still not really sure what's going on. I can't see myself right now, but this eye was like super red and irritated. It's still a little red, but I decided not to wear contacts today because I didn't want to, you know, irritate anything or like be sticking my fingers in my eye just in case it or they are infected. So anyway, yeah. Hopefully it goes away soon. Wow, these are getting tall. I think this is a Berry's Crazy Cherry. I hope that's what this is. I hope that tag is correct. Because I only have one. Do you want to go on a cucumber hunt with me?
Yeah.
Okay, I think the one I saw. Look at these guys. Aren't these so cute?
Oh my gosh.
Get these up off the ground. They're easy to miss. I gotta see what this variety is. I think this is a tender sweet. Yep, this is a tender sweet. So I'm gonna actually leave that one and when I get bigger. But there was one down further, but I wanted to go through here first. Look at how spiny this guy is. Can you see that? Which plant are you from? I would think it's a Parisian pickling cucumber. Look at that cutie.
This variety is really prickly.
See, the tag right here says this is a lemon cucumber, and I've never grown lemon cucumbers, so I can't be for certain, but I'm pretty sure that's not what this is. It's got a lot of like spines on it, and so I think that this is probably a Parisian pickling cucumber, because I don't think I grew any other ones that look like this, and I've never grown any cucumbers. I can't say that actually because I harvested 2 cucumbers the other day. But this looks like a pickle. Anyway, is that it?
Oh yeah, that's the only one I can see. There's lots of tiny ones that are just kind of sprouting.
Look at how spiny these
Yeah,
guys
they look
are.
like little cactuses. So with these beans, should we try and teach them to grow back down?
Yeah, I need to go over there and start training the ones that haven't caught onto the fence yet. Some tomatoes over here. These guys look ready. Do you want a tomato?
Yeah.
Tomatoes.
Cheers. Ooh,
Oh my gosh.
I made a mess.
That is so good. I hear the best time to harvest your tomatoes is in the middle of the hot summer day because the heat concentrates the sugars in your tomatoes and makes them taste better. But those are pretty delicious.
Yeah.
I think this one was a Thorburn terracotta tomato. So pretty. Hey guys, look, this Kajari melon is still alive. I I transplanted this out of my green stalk. I don't know why I decided to plant seeds in my green stalk, but it was going absolutely bonkers in there, and so I decided I would try to transplant it. I will be happy if I get any Kajari melons this year. I have never successfully grown melons. I need to get something to properly stake this guy. Look at that blushing. Another piece of garden candy. Nothing beats a garden fresh tomato, guys. Well, that's a fun looking tomato. Oh yeah. I'll pluck this guy off. My chickens will eat that. Are you picking weeds for me?
Of course.
You are so sweet to me. This is what happens if you don't prune your tomatoes. You will have suckers galore. I need to get out here with some pruners. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
I am so excited for these tomatoes. I'm pretty sure this plant, I think this was a mortgage lifter. I need to come out and fertilize these guys when I have time. Oh, look, a little more blushing. That's exciting. All right, guys, I've been getting a lot of flowers on my squash and no squash yet, so I came out to see if I'm only getting male flowers. These are young plants, so I wouldn't be surprised, I guess. I hear that's pretty normal. These look like male flowers. Oh, I think, is this a female flower starting? With squash plants in particular, there's a really easy way to tell the male and female flowers apart without having to look inside of them, although that is one way you can tell. These flowers, these are all male flowers, and you can tell because it'll have a long, straight, skinny stem like this. There's no like irregularities on the stem at all. It's just a long stem. And if we open it up, it'll have just a single long stamen with all the pollen. And all of these ones are straight like that, so I'm assuming these are all going to be male flowers. You see how this stem is long and skinny, right? And this one down here is long and skinny. But if you come over here, look at this one. It's fat, because this part is what's going to develop into your squash. I think this one's a zucchini, I want to say. But this is the fruit. You see how it's skinny down at the base right here? And then it kind of gets fat, like almost oblong, because it's going to turn into the fruit once it's pollinated. And here's another one that I think is female. But once these grow out a little bit, you'll be able to tell better. I can't get us both in this shot because I'm too short. I need a wider lens. Can I squat down just a little bit?
Just a little bit.
I can't fit us both in the frame.
Okay.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah,
Hey, you have long arms.
how about this?
Okay.
Long
Hold-
way?
No, tilt it this way. All right, friends, that's all we've got for you tonight. Until next time, have a blessed day.